Greeting. This is Marble. We're going to be looking at how we can actually view our Yahoo account and how we can actually send an email or we can actually download from that Yahoo email. Right, so I'm going to be guiding you through that particular process here. Right, so the first thing that I wanted to do is to bring up the internet browser here. Now we bring up the internet browser. We're going to come up here to the top and we're going to type sign in. Right, sign in. Notice right here, if you're Yahoo Mail, I'm going to click on Yahoo Mail. So while I click on the Yahoo Mail there, right here, click on Yahoo Mail again. So while I click on Yahoo Mail right over here to my right, to show me the email address, I'm going to click on that. So you're going to tell me to put in the password. So I'm going to put in the password. Alright, so I'm putting in the password. So I'm going to press word next, just like that. So now I'm actually in the email. So I want to send an email from my Yahoo. So I'm going to come all the way here to say compose. Click on compose. Right over here it shows say put in the person email address. So I'm going to put in the person email address. So I'm going to click right at the subject. So I'm going to say work feed right here. So now I'm going to attach email. So I'm going to come all the way down here to this clip here and I'm going to click on it. So while I click on it, you notice it tell me take it from a Google Drive, from Dropbox, attach recent emails. So I'm going to click here to take me directly to the computer. So I'm going to click right here, type a sentence, and then I'm going to come all the way to my right here and say open. And notice I cancel. I'm going to click on open. If you notice right here, sure it actually load. Right, so I'm going to click here and say here it says C file below. So it's actually showing the person that it's actually there. So I'm going to click right here and actually send it. Right, so right up here it shows that the message has been sent. Right, so very important. So then again now we want to change this background. How are we going to change the background? We're going to come all the way over here, far right, where's the settings. You're going to click on the settings. If you notice it show you all different type of theme. It show you light, dark. If I click on light, eventually you notice over here still. If I click on dark, you notice the whole entire thing dark here. So if I click on medium here, this is how it looks like. So if I click on the theme over here, you notice and around it still. If I come right here and I click, this is how the background actually look. Alright, so very important. So I can actually click back here and remove it. So that is very important. So what if you want to download something? You're gonna come right here and scroll up. So this is if the particular file, I can click on it. And this is if the document, if you notice, you want to look up down arrow. When you click on the down arrow, you notice immediately gonna show over here so that it actually download something. So very important. So that is where you can actually access it. But in order for you to sign out, you're gonna come up here. So it depends on how your email address. If you have a photo, you will see it. But if you don't have a photo, you just want to see the name. So I click right here and say sign out. Right, so I hope you have learned something from this particular video here.